Hello? I'm Wave. We will learn about motion blur in Video Editor. A motion blur is the apparent streaking of moving objects in a photograph or a sequence of frames, such as a film or animation. First, in Adobe Photoshop, you can add blur effect in any item, such as directional blur, motion blur, or radial blur. If it is in all direction, we get a Gaussian blur. In After Effects, you can click this motion blur icon. It results when the image being recorded changes during the recording of a single exposure due to rapid movement or long exposure. And in Premiere Pro, you can click to apply either directional or Gaussian blur. It is based on the laws of physics. First example of this motion blur is the directional blur. Directional blur can be at any angle that can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal as the object moves. Fast frames will therefore create fast motion. Second example of a motion blur is the radial blur. There are two types of radial blur, one is the spin and the other zoom. You can apply fast rotation in few frames that causes spin radial blur. And the other called zoom, you can set the scale in few frames that causes zoom radial blur. At any frame rate, you could find the scene of the fast moving effects, spinning effects, and other actions that are applied. So, this video is about motion blur in Video Editor. Like, comment, and subscribe now.